In this tutorial we will cover how to connect to Podio. To begin, open DataSync and choose Connect Data Source. Now select Podio items from the list and click on the ellipsis next to the credentials. This will open the Podio sign-in. Sign into Podio using your credentials and then grant access to DataSync. Now close the window and choose your list to connect to from the drop-down. Click Connect and create library connection and type in a name for your connection to save it to the connection library. Now we can test our connection works by previewing the data. If we now open a new project, we can use our connection library to make project setup quicker. Refresh the connection library and expand your Podio connections. Now, drag your app or list onto the data source and you're ready to start your project.